Alright, now today's video is going to be interesting because I will be talking about two brand new features for the Galaxy phones which you have never seen before. But before we do that, if you are a Volverse wallpaper application user, here is some good news for you guys. We have just added the video wallpaper section. You get to see both free and premium video wallpapers now available on Volverse. And we have also upgraded our servers so you will not face any lagging or stuttering issues on the application. And even the login issues have been fixed. Many of you guys complained about the login issues and the loading issues. So that has been now fixed with a brand new server upgrade. So go ahead, download the application. The link is in the description. And if you have rated the application below 4 stars for any reason, I request you to change your review if you find the application working better now. So go ahead, download the app and rate the application 5-star on Play Store. I would really appreciate that. Now let's dive right into the video. Now let me open the quick panel here and let's go to the Wi-Fi settings. I'll tap on details and tap on 3-dot button here. We have got intelligent Wi-Fi here. I'll tap on this and now we have got connectivity labs. We all know that this connectivity labs can be enabled by tapping on the intelligent Wi-Fi option multiple times. Connectivity labs will show up right below the intelligent Wi-Fi option. Now we all know that inside connectivity labs, we have got some very useful features. Let's get into this. Now the brand new feature I'm talking about is this one here, network restriction. Now you might not have seen this before on this particular settings. Network restriction is a brand new feature which will be made available on the Galaxy phones very soon. Let me go ahead and tap on network restrictions. This is what it says, network restriction for concentration. Reduce distractions from videos, social media and games to improve concentration on work and study. What this means is you can restrict the network for specific applications on your Galaxy phone. Of course, we all know that we could do this using modes and routines. We can go to modes and routines and create a routine to turn off the data or Wi-Fi for specific applications whenever the app is opened. But now we have got a dedicated feature for the same purpose. Now here, the first thing you need to do is create a password. It will ask you to create a password. I have already created a password on this page. You can see that event log here. The pin was created. You will get all the event logs right over here. Once the pin is created, you will see network restriction option. Just tap on that. It will ask you the pin. Let me open network restrictions here. And now you can see I have created network restriction for WhatsApp. You can restrict applications by tapping on this. We also have a sorting option and the search option as well. And here you can select the application that you want and tap on confirm. All the restricted applications will be sitting right over here. And now whenever you open this application, the network will be restricted. You will not be able to use that application at all. If the application needs network, you will not be able to use the application. Now this will help in two ways. One is for your concentration at your work or home. If you don't want to use specific application, if you want to restrict the network, you can do that. And the second thing is, if you think there are some applications which are consuming data in the background, you can restrict them as well. And we have got some advanced option as well. Let me tap on the 3-dot button, advanced settings. You can see we have got the downtime option. You can create a downtime. You can turn this on and you can create start time and end time for this specific feature to be effective. Let me turn this off. Let's go back. We've got restrict browsers. All currently installed browsers as well as any newly installed ones will be automatically restricted. That's an option. Then we have got restrict games. All currently installed games as well as any newly installed ones will be automatically restricted. We've got change pin option, delete pin and reset option, reset event log options also we have got. So all these are advanced settings which are available within this particular feature. Now, since the network is blocked for WhatsApp, you can see access blocked it says, and we also get a notification here on the notification panel. You can see Android system notification here. Allow individual apps to switch. WhatsApp can't connect using the current Wi-Fi network. The network may be blocking this application or there may be a connection problem. You can set this app to use mobile data in settings. So for those of you who are wondering what happens if the mobile data is still available on the phone, mobile data will not be used for this particular application for which the network is blocked. it clearly says the network may be blocking this app or there may be a connection problem. You can set this app to use mobile data in settings. So for this, you have to go to settings and you can enable this option, allow individual apps to switch. So that is something to note here. If the network restriction is enabled for a specific app, it will not be using your mobile data as well. Now, this is a pretty cool feature which is available on the One UI 9 beta. Now, this is not available on the One UI 8.5 yet, but you will be getting it very soon. I'm only discussing about the features which are coming to your Galaxy phone very soon. The next feature is also going to be very interesting. That is Bixby Lift to Talk. That's a brand new feature which will be coming on One UI 9. Let me tell you what exactly is this feature all about. You can see this animation shared by Sam Mobile on their website. You've got a feature called Gesture Wake Up on Bixby. When you enable this, you will be able to lift your phone towards your face and start talking to Bixby. You don't have to press the shortcut. You don't really have to press the side key to activate Bixby. All you need to do is just lift your phone and place your phone towards your mouth to talk to Bixby. That is how this lift to wake Bixby is going to work. And apparently this is still in the works. It is not yet available on One UI 9. As per Android Authority, this feature will be made available very soon. Now, I'm not sure how seamlessly this feature is going to work. The Bixby trigger is kind of tricky because, whenever you lift the phone for some other purpose, also the Bixby might get triggered. So that's going to be an issue, but it depends on how well Samsung has optimized it. What exactly is the gesture that it needs to activate Bixby is something in question here. We will be able to see this very soon on the next beta probably, or in the upcoming betas of One UI 9. I will keep you guys posted. These are the two very interesting features coming to your Galaxy phone very soon. Stay tuned. I will keep you guys posted with all these new updates, new features, and tips and tricks for your Galaxy phones and Galaxy watches. So be sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informative. And do not forget to use our wallpaper application Wallverse. If at all you had faced any issues, especially in the mid-range phones here in India, many of you guys did face the loading issues. Now that has been resolved. Do go ahead and check it out and do rate it 5-star on Play Store. That motivates me to keep adding more and more wallpapers for you guys. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.